This is the SHDCN 1650-600 type wood chip crusher produced by our company. It is made up of a combination of 4 groups of 8 pieces of knives, and the broken wood chips are about 20 to 40 millimeters. The power of this machine is a soft start device 220 kW motor. Output is 20 to 30 tons per hour. Adopt belt type, remote control frequency conversion automatic feeding. In a moment we will carry out a test operation to see our finished wood chips. This is the machine's electronic control cabinet, using Chinese brand, reliable quality. Inside is the frequency conversion device and soft start device. Now start the commissioning operation. Through the test operation just now, we will look at the size of the broken wood chips.